Mark has suggested that we name this particular part of the creek between these two canyons the Pudge Heffelfinger branch or Pudge Heffelfinger stretch. I think that makes sense, deserving of the name. Another big male.
That is a big boy. Awesome. This is a beast. The shoulders on this guy.
That's gorgeous. Hit him! Hit him!
Teamwork, I cannot.
Almost like this fish does not want to meet you.
Oh!
Dude! Well, you know,
That's okay.
this happens.
We have landed 9 out of 10 in this trap. That is incredible.
And we are barbless, gentlemen.
In that little tiny pocket. That was sweet.
I'll get him out. Say about that one, Mark.
That's the biggest brown trout I've caught on a dry fly, and I think it's probably the biggest one I've ever got heavy-wise. That thing, look at
Beautiful
that.
fish.
Look at that jaw. That thing's a hoss.
Okay. Turn around facing upstream.
Look at that.
Off he goes.
Oh, just awesome, man. That was teamwork, buddy.
Yeah.
Hit him, man.
Nice fish. Mark coming up the hill from our exploratory mission. I live in a really amazing place.